That's
Have your family taken it?
already we are having two views. I was on the one side of having so much of ambitious plans, and the other side my family has always been saying, what all and why all. So this gave them the reason that, but they all has, this has been the opportunity, again we call it the calamity converted into opportunity, and I'm seeing a point in their saying something, and they are also seeing some point in my saying. We have been able to resolve.
There is a groundswell of opinion that maybe you have been discriminated against. What do you feel about that?
We have written a letter to JPC, as I feel that really JPC is one forum which can act on what all my brother's operation, which I requested to get 30,000 sanction for the operation expenses. I was denied of that. That's on one side. The number of cases filed against me, in every case it is just one FIR, but in my cases there are 7 FIRs being filed by different agents. In case of my membership, not only my membership has been taken up, but my family, my brother's membership at Stock Exchange is going after me. It was not only income tax slapping a huge ridiculous amount of 10,000 crore and odd as income tax. Good that will help me to be getting one of a noted person in Guinness Book of Record, having the highest tax as a liability on. So this all leads me to think on that. Yes, I am discriminated, not in one case, not in once. If one area is there, it can be a chance, but not all.
In other words, other people have got away scot-free. You got more than your punishment due.
I won't say that they have got scot-free, but I will say this way, that I am being penalized more than what I should be.
How does it feel to be free after 111 days?
It took me quite some time to get back to normal, because in this 111 days it happened so many times. Every time when I was going to the court, I was just under impression that कि भाई आज छूट जाऊंगा या अगले तारीख को छूट जाऊंगा, and it was even Justice Waryava once mentioned that this is the last time, and that was ending on 30th it was 30th June. पर हर वक्त यही आता गया, पता नहीं कहां से क्या हो रहा है, something coming up again. And at one point of time there were 2 or 3 agencies waiting to pounce on me as if I was something, a commodity, very scarce commodity. So that made me lately to feel that as if I am going to take quite a long time before coming out. And the day when I heard his verdict, Justice Dudat verdict, I was not ready to believe it. I asked my lawyer, are you sure? Is there anybody waiting or anything else is hanging? Because again, after his verdict, it took one day for Vaikala jail to release me. They were also not sure what to do. They were so much habitual of me, they was not wanting to allow me be a free man.
Public hero to public villain number 1 to back to being public.
My request is, I back, and I won't say that I am hero. Let me be what I am, and I am proud of what I am. That's all.
What was the interrogation like? What were the quizzing days like with the CBI and other investigating agencies?
Especially my experience at CBI was very tough, because in the history of CBI itself, I don't think anybody has undergone so much of so lengthy interrogations. They claim that I have a record, number of hours, number of people.
How many?
It must have gone beyond 65 people
65, 70 people interrogating you.
65, 70 people interrogating at different times with different influences, different methods, different style. Everybody has their own style, and they claim that yes, everybody is capable of bringing out the information. And they were all being like there was a competition going on there. Who gets the information first? You can imagine, and I was on the other side of it.
Were they rough with you?
I won't say they rough. Rather, the approach was more to build up a mental pressure. But that itself is terrible. To pressure you, how can you stand that? So number of pages has gone beyond 500 pages interrogation. Number of hours must also be 500 to 600 hours. Number of people, 65, 70 people. And number of days, I don't need to tell you.
So you've been providing employment to our investigating agencies.
No, at the end I was thinking if there is any self-employment scheme, I can be a good interrogator myself after undergoing so much of